The phone used to be our friend, but nowadays with spoof and all sorts of craziness happening, and the matter of fact that most of Americans, 97% of them actually, communicate via text every week. And yeah, you had that 3%, but guess what? If you text the rest of them, those 3% are not going to take up a lot of your time. So talking about time, take a look at this video clip and let's talk about it later, and you'll see why you should start texting your customers.
Hello, please leave your message after the tone.
So how many text messages can you send in the same amount of time it takes to make a phone call that never reaches the customer? I think saying 6 or more is possible. And remember, with 97% of the population using text every week, it's time to start communicating with our customers the way they want us to communicate. And that other 3%, well, guess what? If you're using the 97 and texting, the other 3%, you're actually going to save an awful lot of time and probably open those lines up and make more sales. So let's get to texting, folks, because that's where it's at.